Kalyani Rafale Advanced Systems has rolled out its first batch of medium-range surface-to-air missile kits for the Indian Army and Air Force. CRAS is a joint venture between India's Kalyani's Group and Rafale Advanced Defense Systems of Israel. During the rollout event, CRAS's commitment to deliver more than 1,000 MR-SAM missile kits for the Indian Army and Air Force in the coming years was highlighted. The MR-SAM is an advanced path-breaking air and missile defense system that provides ultimate protection against a variety of aerial platforms. To further integrate them, the missile sections will be forwarded to Bharat Dynamics Limited. Baba Kalyani, Chairman Managing Director Kalyani Group, said, "This is the beginning of a new era. We are confident to complete the order far ahead of the stipulated time and support the armed forces with the best in-class missile kits. Apart from the missile kits, we will extend our support in maintenance and repair operations as in-service air defense missile system for the armed forces." On the occasion, Brigadier General Pinhas Youngman, head of the Air and Missile Defense Systems Division of Rafale Advanced Defense Systems, said, "We have been a reliable partner to the Indian Armed Forces for almost 3 decades, and these missile kits are a testimony of our commitment to Make in India cause. We are confident CRAS will not only build products for the Indian Armed Forces, but will at the same time trigger and help achieve Indian government's vision of exports from India." On Monday, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute released a report saying that between 2011 and 2020, India's arms imports fell by 33%.